You know who it be, son. But yeah, you know. I'm just chilling, Jay. I don't do too much, you know. Got my own little locked on Sesame Street. Sesame Street. You already know. What it is. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I'm at. I'm up in somewhere. Niggas done got me up in here. They got me up in here, yo. You know what I'm saying? Rubbing my tummy and all, you know what I'm saying? Good money. I ain't getting paid like I'm supposed to on Sesame Street. They ain't bring me my dough like they supposed to on a block. You know, right next to Oscar's King, son. You know I post up. Get them 1s, 2s, Q's, and P's, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Purples and blues, you feel me, son? Anyway, kid, let me holler at my door. This is my door right here. You know what I'm saying? Right here, you know what I mean? Yo, come in the stream, son. Nah, I'm good, son. You ain't gonna come in the stream, son? Nah. Don't you see my face on TV, son? Son! You wanna do your boy Big Red like that? Big Elmo? Elmo? I ain't got this problem with my workers. You know what I'm saying? If I do a Cookie Monster, you know, he be on the block. Big Bird. On the block. You know what I'm saying? All my horrors, you know, like Zoe. You know, that Spanish chick, I don't know where he come. You know what I'm saying? They be bringing in my dogs. The hawkers, honking, and all that. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget about counting my dough. Right, son? That's what I heard. Counting my dough. That's not counting. No, but really though. Money is slow on Sesame Street, and it got pick up. You know what I'm saying? My crayon apartment needs color. Only got blue, red, and orange. My fish need food.
Talk.
That's the one last thing.
I said talk. Talk aloud because I'm recording.
Nah, but really though. Where's my money? Freaking imaginary elephants on a block. You ain't getting my money. Freaking store. The store giving away free cookies. Still giving that away. My money. Really? This is some serious stuff. Hold on. Somebody calling me. Let me go get my phone real quick. Hold on. My bad, y'all. I missed the call. You know what I'm saying? Let me call this trick back. You know what I'm saying? I know she's probably on the block right now. You know what I'm saying? I could probably give her better business. Because I ain't there to protect my investments. Hold on. Hello? Hold on, y'all. Try to play me all the time like I'm, you know what I'm saying? Like I ain't.
Yes, hello.
Yo, what up? This is Elmo, y'all. Phil right here, but you don't want to show it though. What up? Where's my money?
You must be really good.
Yo, don't talk about nothing but my money. This is Big Red Elmo, son. I need my money.
You're not trying to get you like a stupid.
Yo.
he probably got there like, what the hell?
Listen, this is my house. I'm Elmo, yeah. My house. You tell me, you go tell Sophie to bring my money to the playoff house now.
Yeah?
I ain't playing.
Okay.
I ain't playing. This ain't no game, yo.
What is you today?
This ain't no game. I'm in the house like Elmo.
No, so what?
Wow. Yo. Kill my phone, yo. Kill my phone, B. Kill my phone, B. Yo, my money, B. That's what I want to know about my money, B.
It's in the bank.
It's in the bank. I want the bank. I need baseball. I need baseball. Get my plan.
You're going to do a pizza. Yeah.
You better can. You better can.
I said, what?
Check me. I'm gonna holler at y'all in the wild, because these people try to play me, and I don't want to disrespect them on camera. I don't need to disrespect nobody on camera. You ready? I